So, you've decided you not only want your dollars to work for you, you want them to make a difference. Your community matters to you. While earning a return is part of the plan, with Semble's lending platform, your money does so much more. Investing responsibly and with social intention is now easy. Nonprofits are at the heart of change. Semble enables the loan needs of these organizations to be addressed by like-minded supporters, such as yourself. You can see in detail the nonprofit's exact needs and goals and how your involvement will directly impact your community. Semble believes transparency is key so that those that invest can make informed decisions. The details are there for you to explore. The loan summary and progress, community impact, and frequently asked questions. The nonprofit's organization and financials, how the proceeds will be used, the repayment strategy, and a thorough risk questionnaire. Everything. You have a question? Just ask. And when you're ready to commit, you will be prompted to create an account, and then it's a simple matter of setting the amount of your commitment and your desired rate of return. Your commitment will be added to your investor dashboard. As other commitments come in, the status bar fills up until commitment of support equals the need. Following your commitment, you will receive correspondence with clear instructions to guide you through the next steps. You've taken the first step toward making a real difference in your community. Semble. Investing socially, together.